اسمي جنان موسى من العراق. أجريت عملية صعوبة التنفس.
इनका नाम जिनान मूसा है और ये इराक से बिलोंग करती हैं और इन्होंने यहाँ पर सर्जरी करवाई है अपने ये वॉइस की।
صار لي 7 سنوات على هذا المرض صعوبة التنفس.
इनको 7 सालों से ये प्रॉब्लम थी और सांस लेने में काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी होती थी इन्हें।
هواي راجعت مستشفيات
बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स में इन्होंने कंसल्ट किया
بس علاجي كان ماكو.
बट इलाज कहीं भी नहीं हो पाया इनका।
وهسه جرت العملية الحمد لله.
और यहाँ पर आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल में इन्होंने ट्रीटमेंट कराया और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है अभी तक।
صحتي الحمد لله أحسن, تنفسي زين.
अभी काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फील कर रही हैं, सांस भी बिल्कुल क्लियर है
إن شاء الله راح أرجع العراق قريب.
और 1-2 दिनों में इंशाल्लाह ये इराक वापस लौटेंगे और बिल्कुल फिट हैं।
قال الدكتور قال
और
أنا إجراء العملية.
डॉक्टर गोयल और डॉक्टर हजारिका जिन्होंने सर्जरी की है उनका काफ़ी थैंकफुल रही है।
This patient Jinan had presented to our hospital with complaints of severe degree of shortness of breath. She was walking, her breath sounds were visible to almost 5 feet. Anybody walking with her used to feel her breathing, that much amount of shortness of breath she had. She was diagnosed by a condition called vaginous granulomatosis, or what nowadays we call as GPA, in her home country. She was given a treatment for the same, but the main issue was not being answered. The main issue was her windpipe had severe narrowing, which is a common presentation of this disease, Wegener's, where the area below the vocal cord, what we call in a medical language as a subglottic area, becomes stenosed. So whatever she was breathing was through a very, very narrow opening. What we had a diagnosis with us. Now we wanted to give her the best possible and the latest advanced treatment for this disease so that she lives a fruitful and a happy life and improve her overall quality of life. This case sets a perfect example of how a good teamwork gives you the best result. Dr. Hazarika and Dr. Naveen from the Department of Head and Neck Surgery, along with my team, we collaborated and we took this challenge of taking this patient as a combined case in the theatre. We first had to do a tracheostomy where we make a small incision in the neck and we put a tube through which we can ventilate her lungs, and then my team steps in and what we did, we had to open this narrow area. But to our surprise, when we saw this area, this was only 3 mm. 1 centimeter has 10 mm. So you can imagine an opening of 3 mm was barely nothing for anybody to breathe. We had to keep all our options open. What we did, we dilated this opening to a certain extent by using a specialized balloon so that we are able to work. And as a very rare chance or one of its kind, we used a latest laser called the holmium laser to break or incise this stenosis. We used laser fibers through which we could cut this area, make more space, use the balloon sequentially so that the whole diameter improves and the patient will be able to breathe properly. Finally, before we were ending our procedure, we injected a special medicine in all the 4 quadrants of this narrow area so that the recurrence goes down. We would require another sitting for this procedure after 4 to 6 weeks, but at the end of the procedure, what we achieved was a diameter of 12 mm. That is, right from starting of 3 mm, we could achieve more than a centimeter of a diameter. The procedure went uneventful and patient was, if I remember correctly, patient was decannulated, that is, the tracheostomy was also removed within the next 48 hours. Patient was absolutely comfortable. She was walking, moving around, no respiratory distress, no shortness of breath, and at the end we discharged her from our hospital back to her home country as a happy patient who was now able to do her regular activity without any shortness of breath. Definitely we are going to see her after 4 to 6 weeks from now for a second sitting, but at present definitely her major complaints of shortness of breath and distress are all solved, and what we find that Jinan would continue with this happy face.
This young lady from Iraq, she came to us with a lot of respiratory distress. She was unable to breathe properly, and she had a very rare kind of disease, which is a multi-organ inflammatory disease by the name of Wegener's granulomatosis of the subcricoid area, just that is below the larynx and the trachea. We evaluated the patient in our hospital, that we had a discussion with our pulmonology colleagues, and the line of treatment for the patient was we did first we did a tracheostomy on the patient, and this was followed by the dilatation by the pulmonology team in the second sitting. And fortunately for the patient is right now, she is doing well. She is Helen Hurtis. She left the Indian shore in a very healthy way. So I would say, my opinion, or to say the carry home message for Wegener's granulomatosis should be a multi-team effort.
أشكر الله على شفائي، وأشكر الكادر التمريضي والمستشفى، مستشفى أرتمس، دكتور قايل.
ऊपर वाले का काफ़ी थैंक यू बोल रही है आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल, यहाँ के स्टाफ, यहाँ के सिस्टर्स और स्पेशली डॉक्टर गोयल, शिवांशु गोयल।